Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna be walking you through how to download Opay business app from Google Play Store. And if you're using an Apple device, maybe like an iPhone, you can also follow the same process. Why I'm opening Google app Play Store right here. So on your iPhone you'll be opening your Apple App Store, then find the search section at the top or down below, then you can search for Opay business. So you can see it already suggested Opay business app, so just click on that. Then it's gonna show the Opay business, so just click on the second one, and you can also see there is money point business banking as well. So just click on Opay business, so you're gonna see the app just like this. So they also provided much details about the Opay business app on Google Play Store, which of course it's having 4.4 rating with over 20,000 reviews, and then over 5 million people have downloaded this app. So all you just need to do is just click on the install option right there. So once you click on install, the app will install on your phone, and then it's gonna also run a verification through the Play Protect platform. So you can see it's already installing on my phone right now, so I'm gonna wait for that to be done, then I'll be moving on to the next thing. So I'm gonna wait for that to okay, fine. So the app is already installed on my phone from the Opay Digital Services Limited. So I'm now okay to start using the Opay business app. So you can watch the video below on how and other things you can actually do with Opay business.